So I finally got home this afternoon. Sat for a long time. It took me like 2 hours to get home, but it wasn't miserable. And the reason it wasn't miserable is because I got a new toy. I got backup for the farm. How about them apples? So we finally got to go back by the dealership and pick up everything. They got it loaded up earlier today, and so on my way home from work I got to stop by and pick up the backup. Oh no, the backup. It'll be hopefully the workhorse. And maybe, just maybe, I can get caught up on all that bush hogging that I gotta do. Check it out. Really excited. So it's a 30 horsepower Branson. It's a 3015R shuttle shift. Bought a 5-foot bush hog and an angle blade. And of course I bought it with the loader. So I'm pretty excited about that. Don't hold me to the numbers, but pretty sure tractor's about just over, I think it's what, 3,100 pounds with the loader and the bush hog. I want to say it's somewhere around 4,500 pounds total. 2,200 pound loader capacity. And I want to say it's something like a 3,300 pounds at the 3-point, which in this class is one of the better ones I could find, and not a bad deal. Kind of back up here. I got everything in this shot, trailer included, out the door for 30. So I can't complain. I'm really excited. But now I don't have an excuse not to get work done. Let's climb up here and get a good look at things. But anyways, I'm really excited because my son will be home soon and he'll be super excited when he sees this. So I'm gonna try to get it off the trailer and have it set up before he gets home so I can show him. Anyways, so the family just got home and I haven't got this off the trailer yet. So we're gonna wait till they get up here and I'm gonna try to capture the kids' reaction. Hey guys. What do you see? A tractor?
Yeah.
Where's a tractor? I don't see a tractor.
Right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Over there? Yeah?
Oh, wait, in it.
Yeah, you like that tractor?
He's gonna ride in it.
I'm gonna ride in it? Alright, calm down. We'll get you guys out and let you look at it.
I already saw it.
Oh, you already saw it? Well, I guess you don't need to look at it then, do you?
I want to look at it.
Okay. Alright, we'll let you guys get out and then we'll go look at it.
I see a chain on there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, is that cool?
Yeah, is that cool?
Oh, what on it?
Daddy's got to get it off the trailer first. Is that?
What's that?
Yeah, what is that? Is that a chain? Yeah, that's so it doesn't slide around.
Wow.
Yeah, what color is it?
It's your bubbles.
Yeah, what color is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, what color's the tractor?
Orange.
Orange? Well, sort of. It's red.
It's red.
Yeah, it kind of looks orange in the light, doesn't it? Yeah, I gotta get it off the trailer.
What's that?
Yeah, that's a chain.
That is chain.
Yep, that's another chain.
That is not chain.
All right, well, I better get this off before he goes crazy.
That is sad and cool.
Yeah.
And red. Can we get a red?
Well, not yet. I gotta get it off the trailer first.
How can you get it off?
You drive it. That's a chain. Now leave it, put it back. Guys, no, put it back where you found it, please.
Yep, put it right back. That's not a toy.
Where's that fire over there?
Yeah.
Where's that mine?
All right, look at that. Take a little bit of a learning curve. I'm used to, I won't say I'm used to, but the only experience I have really and truly is with, you know, somewhat older tractors. I'm sure we'll pick it up quickly. We got it off the trailer successfully, so that's step one. Step two will be putting gas in it. Well, diesel, because they basically gave it to me empty, which was awesome. But look at that. It's a little bit easier to see the frame size. So I'm pretty excited. I'm stoked about being able to use this around here. I'm super excited. I've had to refrain from talking too much about it in some of the other videos just because I don't want it to get old for everybody else, but for me this is I don't know, it makes it feel serious. Maybe the chickens should have done that, but here we are. Maybe I'll take some time and do a formal review at some point, how everything goes. But for the time being, here we are.